Video suck. Should I make a video today? Let me think. Yeah, why not? Hey, what's up, guys? It's KFC. My career now, it's called dating. I'm gonna do a reaper for you guys. I'm gonna reveal team, and you can see my pants and my shirt. It's matching. And no, these are my pants. Okay, so today we're gonna rebuild the team. We're gonna rebuild the Lakers. What year is this? The 2015-2016 Lakers without 99 overall prime Kobe. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do it. Fake brothers sometimes. Yeah. Boom! Explosion. Team chemistry is only 20. It's gonna be a 2-year rebuild. Can't make it more than 13 minutes. Let's go. Okay, let me add that Kobe and I'll show you guys the roster. Unlike old Kobe, prime Kobe. Okay, let me put it like this. There needs to be more dunks. Let me see, where is the passing? No. Yes, because Kobe actually have it. Yes, I need to add like the contract too. I'll show you guys later again. To 80 million people. So that's what we're working. Kobe. Literally Kobe. Yeah, I gotta add it again. Okay, we're gonna 99 Kobe. Yes, this is prime Kobe. Okay, I don't know what's the season when it was 27. What it was, let me count. He was 1896. That means that in 06. Okay, I think that's either one of these Kobe's. So yeah, basically prime. Oh, come on! So we're gonna start this. What? Obviously, adding this Kobe play to star. Yeah, I don't know about this, but yeah, it's basically Kobe, and more Kobe. Obviously, we're gonna have to give less minutes to some players. Okay, literally, we're just gonna. Man, you can still have 4 minutes. Yeah. And so basically, and we can just give extra minutes to. No, really, for God's sake, really goddamn underrated. Julius Randle, look at Julius Randle, people. You guys have to stop underrating underrating him, especially you can in the fourth quarter. Yeah. He will be an all-star. Okay, now it's time to trade D'Angelo for Raging Ring. Oh, come on. Oh, come on, this really hurts. Oh God, this is really like a great trade we can make here. For Kemba and Al. Mike and, okay. Porzingis. This will be even better, I guess. I think. No, I don't think. I know it is better. But we got 28. They said he had it. No minutes for Hibbert or Zach Wright. And you can have 30. You can have 30. Let's just give him Larry Nance some extra minutes. Less minutes to this guy. And Kemba, okay. Lou Will, because we want him to be 6-man. Larry. Nick, yeah, basically this. It's basically just Kobe, and more Kobe. I'll simulate it now. I think I'm gonna make this just 2 seasons. I'll simulate T All-Star break. I'll show you a bit of this, and now I'm gonna, just pause the video and then put it back so you can guys see, our record. It's probably gonna be bad. Peace out. No, I'm making a video. Okay, I'm just gonna pause this, do this, remove injuries, and show you guys what happened. Okay, now that I have to redo it, then that's how we redo it. Blue Will. First off, second of all, okay, Clarkson, I know you're a really good and underrated player, but seriously, I think you're underrated. Larry Nance is still gonna get minutes. 15 now. And fixed rotations, man. Okay, let's see. Kobe, just give it to him. Julius averaging what is basically Julius Randle these last seasons, except his rookie one. 10 and 10. That's basically what he's gonna do. Gonna make a for Elton Brand, I think. Yeah, guys, they can average 20 and 10 or 10 and 10. Maybe just like under Tony. I'm gonna simulate. Boom, 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 boom. Now that we're basically in the All-Star break, so we don't gotta see that. We're just looking at stats. Oh wait, Kobe on 25 with 8 rebounds and 5.5 assists. This is like this Kobe 8, 10, 11. But we made him a 90. God damn. 9. What is 3-point rating? 353. That's like basically prime Kobe and stuff like that. Yeah, Kobe's underrated from 3. He's averaging. Now let's look at our whole team. No, wrong thing. Kobe, baby. You got Al Jefferson with 16 and 10 basically, and with 3. Oh, and almost 2 blocks. Kemba is doing great. Not even 17 points per game, but still great. Julius is an underrated player in the league, really doing good. And Nick Young, 12, 10 from Louisville. And Jordan Clarkson, Larry Nance, Brandon Bass. We stopped playing meta at 44 games in, but still 4.5. So yeah. Let's look at the the war races. Dwayne Wade for MVP. Let's just look at this simulating. Okay, LeBron and Wade, yeah. Also, you obviously got Kevin Burns there. Okay, I want to see the dunk. The 3-point. None of them have Kobe. Okay, we got Jordan and Julius. Oh, Norman Powell, baby. Underrated SL2. Season awards, baby. No Kobe. Okay, well, 28 and 27. I'll see you guys at the end of the season. I'm sorry to say, guys, I cheated. So that we can make the playoffs. Yes, I put simulator difficulty at 0 just so we can make the playoff. But we were like a game behind and I had no choice. I didn't want to make this one for you guys. I'm sorry. Yeah. Kobe, who the hell is MVP? I forgot already. Obviously, he would have a that season, but seriously, let's simulate games. Well, 1 season rebuild, people. My team is trash. So, this is what happens. We're not losing yet. I just wanted to, play with the coach. You gotta shoot ball with the flick of that wrist. We're up to lose trash. It was a 9-9 Kobe, like a team 2 years ago. I should have made that team with every player in their prime. Usually it's gonna be like an 87 in his prime. I'm just saying. Kemba is like an 80, 90. Kobe is basically the overall we gave him. Kobe. 5. I wanted to do a shot for you guys of me shooting the ball with Kobe. Oh, that can happen, baby. 3.3 seconds, we can't have a shot off. But still. Wait on, what is my sliders? Okay, catch him. I don't think this could do anything, but still, I want to score 2 points for y'all. So yeah, we lost. Okay, guys, sorry, we lost in the cerebral. Yeah, remember, guys, I'm a Hopi Cowie. I don't know outros. Peace out, because I had to just say it already on this channel. Remember, like and subscribe because I actually need YouTube money. And remember, PewDiePie isn't racist, guys. He just said the N-word accidentally. Okay, forget I ever said anything with it. Peace out. Oh yeah. Why haven't I ended this yet? Look at this lit. Look at this wood. I don't need it. Yeah. Yeah, if you guys want, I'm just gonna do this. And the other one.